In this video, I will show you how to pay Uber Eats with Apple Pay. So in order to do that, you need to actually make sure that you're using an iPhone or iOS device. So if you're using an iOS device, you should be able to have Apple Pay. You also need to make sure that the country that you're in actually supports Apple Pay. So for example, we're on Seattle, so we can head over right here to our browser and let's ask, does Apple Pay support Seattle? So let's search for that. And if it actually is working on Seattle, you should be able to actually get to it. If it's working, you can head over and then just continue with your purchase. And then just click on the scope to checkout. Then add a payment method and then just select Apple Pay on this. So by doing this, you should be able to pay Uber Eats with Apple Pay. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.